for building and construction. For building and construction, leading self-adhesive solutions that meet the needs and requirements of every sector within the building and construction market or industry. The applications such as lifts and walkways. Applications include mirrors, permanent mounting and bonding of enhanced designs and assemblies, reinforcement bars, gap closures, vibration reduction, panel bonding. For flooring, a range of products that are ideal for fixing a wide variety of carpet and flooring material. This includes permanent and temporary applications to many substrates for multiple flooring requirements, including trade shows, institutional buildings, sports, and residential environments. Application includes contamination control, and debris containment, applications for flooring surfaces, safety and lane marking, hazard warning, safety indication and lane marking, temporary flooring, joining and splicing of temporary flooring systems, flooring manufacture and systems, splicing PVC flooring during manufacturing and converting applications, surface protection, clear and colored protection tapes, films, mats and floors, carpets, glass, and other clean, sensitive surfaces. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, shortly known as HVAC. For HVAC application, a specialist profile of entry-level and premium cloth tips, including uncoated and waterproof duct tapes, the industry's leading range of aggressive acrylic and rubber-based adhesive systems meet the quick stick, broad temperature range, and long-term adhesive properties demanded by HVAC industry or professionals. A wide variety of compression foam sealants for reliable ductwork gasketing. Applications include ducting and ventilation, sealing, masking, joining, splicing, and closing of air ducts and ventilation systems, HVAC manufacture and assembly, permanent bonding, sealing, and vibration reduction for HVAC equipment systems, thermal insulation, waterproofing, and repair of HVAC pipework and air ducting, windows and doors. Skepa has got a wide experience and they have many products in this. Similarly, 3M, Tesa, they too have many products. The self-adhesive tape technology is suitable for insulated glass unit IGU production, production material, plastics, metal, composite, and timber components for system assemblies. A range includes acrylic foam tapes. They have single-side compression foam sealants for water, air, and dust sealing, single-coated tapes, to protect and preserve the quality and integrity of material surfaces and other double-sided products that bond while remaining flexible. Applications include internal glazing, sealing, bonding, and gap filling, glazing and office partition systems, structural glazing, permanent bonding of glass to metal frames, in interior and exterior curtain wall systems, window glazing for residential, sealing, bonding, and protection of glazing components and insulated glass units, air tightness, butyl flashing tapes are generally used. A picture of butyl flashing tape is shown on the slide at the corner. Scapa is famous for these types of products. They are suitable for many general purpose applications also. Scapa Pro is a professional grade benchmark quality product you can rely on. Scapa Plus is also another alternative. Scapa Tape is specialized product designed for more technical applications and more stringent specific requirements. Product reference Scapa 621 is a UV resistant polyolefin coated fabric, single coated with a synthetic butyl rubber adhesive. The product is applied with a brown craft paper release liner, colors white adhesive rubber, liner craft, carrier polyester cloth, thickness is 0.4 mm, availability in Asia, Europe and North America. Currently it is available in all ranges. Airtightness, the applications are exterior flashing in construction applications. Product benefits provides seamless protection against moisture during construction and after the siding is installed. Energy efficient product as prohibits air conditioning and heat loss sound, windows and door opening, prevents water infiltration, excellent aging properties and UV resistance even up to 90 days, long-term addition to a wide range of surfaces including OSB and other standard building materials, 100% VOC free, superior cold flow leads to exceptional nail, sellability, printable backing, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, that is HVAC. For HVAC applications, there are premium cloth tips including uncoated and waterproof duct tapes, a range of aggressive acrylic and rubber-based adhesive systems meet the quick stick, broad temperature applications and long-term adhesion properties demanded by HVAC. Adhesive tapes and insulation for HVAC system. Let us understand the basics. Introduction to HVAC system types, HVAC piping system, HVAC air distribution equipments, fans and pumps, HVAC instrumentation and control, HVAC system commissioning, the heating, ventilating and air conditioning or HVAC systems, The primary function of HVAC system is to provide healthy and comfortable interior conditions for occupants. Well-designed, effective systems to do this with minimal non-renewable energy and air and water pollutant emissions. The purpose of HVAC design is both high indoor air quality and energy efficiency. These dual considerations require an integrated design approach. RICS, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems create a climate that allows for maximum comfort. Let us understand the type applications. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilating, air conditioning. It is primarily based on mechanical engineering principles such as fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and transfer. You can see the applications in the photographs now. HVAC aluminum foil duct and tape comes in different types and features and sizes. There are options such as 10 to 50-meter long. HVAC aluminum foil duct tape helps you to fix your insulation problems at home, in your garage, or in the offices, or in the manufacturing plants. There are several experts who can help you to get to do a fast service attaching HVAC aluminum foil duct. This is a total solution for insulating problems because it simply gives you the advantages you can never have with your ordinary brand tape. You can see a couple of pictures now. Aluminum foil tape for air ducting. Aluminum foil tapes, moisture and chemically resistant, help seal and protect many sensitive assemblies and surfaces. Thermally, they are conductive, maximum efficiency when heating or cooling by increasing the transmission over a broad area. Heat and light reflection helps protect plastic components from heat warpage. Flame resistance, outdoor performance, they have got excellent resistance to UV degradation, provide long-lasting service. Here are some photographs of aluminum foil tape like foil screen craft FSK tape or aluminum foil laminated with fiberglass cloth called as alu glass tape. This is used for acoustic ducting, reinforced foil for thermal insulation, air-cooled chillers, air-cooled chiller advantages. Here are the photographs of the chillers, and here are the advantages of using tapes: lower installation cost, quicker availability, no cooling tower or condenser pump required, less maintenance, no mechanical room required. So these are the advantages of air-cooled chillers, and adhesive tapes, they find a wide number of applications, especially reinforced foil in such coolers. The duct materials could be UV approved, that is Underwriters Laboratory approved. Class can be 0. Flame sprayed and 0 flame sprayed and 0 smoke developed. Iron, galvanized steel, aluminum, concrete, masonry, clay tile, class 1. Fiberglass, many flexible ducts, class 2. Shapes of air ducts, they could be rectangular, round, flat, or flexible. You can see the pictures over here. These are the air ducts of various types which are used in thermal insulation and which a lot many tapes are used. Temperature rise from duct heel gain, mode of airflow when air passes over and around surface of the duct wall. Dynamic losses. Here are a couple of pictures. Here are the specifications for the duct roughness factor, like what is the duct material and what should be roughness category and what should be absolute roughness in millimeters, permeability. And here is a chart showing the various types of designs, velocity for HVAC compounds. Reduce dynamic losses of critical path, minimum or maintain optimum air velocity through air feeding, proper use of splitted vanes, fire protection, use of fire dampers. Here are a couple of pictures here for you. Now you can see many number of pictures here on this slide. Aluminum foil tape for air ducting and pipeline. You can see FSK also in the photographs. You can see that aluminum foil is used for many other applications as shown in the photograph. Aluminum foil fiberglass cloth for heat insulation of HVAC system and vapor barriers. They help in heat insulation, noise elimination, sound absorption. Used as a duct jacket on glass wool of any insulated flexible duct. The specification, generally the foil is of 7 micron fiberglass cloth, polyethylene. For residential or heat shield, this is a product trademark or trade name. They are very popular for residential, for industrial. Then another application is lane marking outdoor. 3M has got excellent products for this purpose. They are available in 50 millimeters and 100 millimeters. In other industries such as energy, solar, wind power, solutions for solar industry, you can see the products where the adhesive tapes find the applications. The typical applications are bonding, securing, protecting, and coding application, as well as other needs. Now you can see The renewable energy tape products are used to manufacture and install batteries, solar, wind, geothermal, and nuclear energy equipments, components. Tapes for wind energy. Tesa has got many products which are used in wind industry for wind blades, single side PTFE laminated glass cloth tape with silicone adhesive is a very good product for this kind of application. Benefits: once applied, speeds up time consuming mold preparation with release waxes or liquids. Tips for wind energy, they continue. Tesa has got very good products for this application. Closed cell tube and sheet insulation is a flexible, closed cell and lightweight elastomeric material designed for insulating liquid cooling and heating lines. The closed cell structure of Aeroflex, a trade name again, provides many advantages over most rigid insulations for cooling and heating lines. It has stable thermal conductivity, that is the key value, during the service. Flexibility makes installation work very easy and neat. Outstanding UV and weather resistance. Ideal for insulation for frost control on cold water plumbing. It provides heat, it prevents heat gain and condensation problems on chilled water and refrigerant pipelines, and is also it prevents heat loss from hot water plumbing, liquid and dual temperature piping. In other industries, foam tapes on outdoor panels to waterproof the switchgear enclosed, to provide acoustic damping, thermal insulation in air conditioning, pollution control, mechanical applications, insulating the pipelines. You can see a couple of pictures on your right hand side. Here are more number of pictures, and you can see how the flexibility of the foam helps in covering the pipeline precisely to provide proper insulation. Chilled water piping insulation. The condensation damages ceiling, carpeting and other furniture and wastes energy with higher heat gain to the chilled water pipelines, but with insulation flexible foam, these things can be avoided. Hot water piping insulation. You can see number of application photographs below on the slide. Ducting systems. Various kinds of ducting systems required by industry. You can see the photographs below. Recreational vehicles. You find various kinds of tapes used in this. In these vehicles also, the ultra ducts need to be properly insulated. In agriculture, duct wrap insulation, basic use is soft touch. Duct wrap insulation is used to insulate rectangular and round heating, ventilating, and air conditioning ductwork. Benefits: the insulation provides thermal efficiency that reduces unwanted heat loss or gains from equipment and ductwork. Our Shield is innovative Energy's line of radiant barriers insulation products made from a woven polyethylene material covered by metallized film. You can see a couple of application photographs on the right hand side. They dramatically improve the thermal performance and energy efficiency, keeping energy costs lower and interior spaces more comfortable. Why use radiant barriers? To cut energy consumption and cost, improve interior comfort, economical radiant barrier insulation in attic spaces, effective means of temperature control in a wide variety of applications. The solid version qualifies as an air and moisture barrier, superior tear and puncture resistance, can span 8 feet unsupported, environmentally safe and non-toxic, lightweight, easy and safe to install. Building insulation products reduce energy consumption and cost, improve building integrity. Key facts about the reflective insulation products: increase energy efficiency, cut energy consumption and cost, improve interior comfort, thin and lightweight, non-toxic and fiberless, easy and safe to install, no special protective gloves or clothing required, reduce condensation or prevent moisture intrusion with select products for virtually any structure, industrial, commercial, residential, or do-it-yourself, or agriculture. They prevent heat buildup during summer months and reduce heat loss during winter. The sidewalls will improve the performance of mass insulation by reducing radiant heat transfer, creating a more efficient building envelope. You can see a picture on the right hand side. To insulate below your radiant heated floors to reduce hot spots, prevent heat loss, and increase the efficiency of your radiant heating system. Keep your garage temperature more comfortable year around. Seal your duct by wrapping them. Water heater insulation jackets. They improve the water heater thermal performance. Here you can see some of the application photographs of reflective insulation. Temperature sensitive machinery. You can see a couple of photographs. where insulation is required, and these reflective insulations, they play a major role, important role. Packing insulation products prevents heat insulation or heat loss. They are reusable. Many types or styles are available. Lane marking indoor, advanced tips. They have got some products which are very useful. The construction tips, they are used as reinforcing tape which is applied directly to the subfloor under the full surface. A fiber reinforced VOC-free acrylic dry contact cement film adhesive in roll form is used for many applications. You can see the photographs here. Lane marking outdoor, 3M have got very good products for such applications. Abrasion resistant tapes, self-adhesive polyurethane film tapes protect surfaces that are subject to high abrasion or corrosion, and these tapes help in avoiding or reducing the abrasion loss. Waterproof cloth tape, conformable to awkward shapes, non-corrosive adhesive, aggressive, water-resistant finish, can be written on, good abrasion resistance, strong, high-tack, clean peel, applications, construction, joining wall boards, entertainment, used as matte gaffer tape for securing cables and color coding applications, manufacturing, splicing and joining in manufacturing process, printing, book and spine binding, polycoated cloth tape. You can see couple of more photographs here. They are easy to tear, water resistant finish. They are non-corrosive, highly conformable, easy unwind, high tack, clean peel, flexible, strong, good abrasion resistance, application, carpet laying, underlaying joining, carpet joining and carpet edging, construction, ideally suited for joining polythene and many other materials, masking of metal and or concrete surfaces, HVAC, translucent repair tips. They are conformable to awkward shapes, water resistant, non-corrosive adhesive, flexible, good abrasion resistance, easy to unwind. Applications, for electroplating, leisure, splashing and repair, and many other applications as shown in the pictures. Transfer adhesive tapes. Transfer adhesive tapes, what it is, they do not carry any backing material. Instead, it is sandwiched between two removable layers of double-sided silicone release liner. They are also called as unsupported tapes. Why use transfer adhesive tape? Ease of application, coating or lamination, handles impossible substrates like substrates available only in sheet form, not available in roll form, substrates with higher thickness such as aluminum composite panels or rigid panels or rigid foams, flexible foams with very high thickness. They can be adhesive coated by using transfer adhesive tape. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I can answer the same as early as possible. You can watch this presentation on slideshare.net. You can also watch this presentation on YouTube. If you like the presentation, then you can subscribe the channel. Thanking you. Let's meet again with another new presentation shortly.